Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in. This is Louis, and today I'll be making a phone stand or an iPad stand, so do stay with me till the end to see how it turned out. At the start, I didn't have any ideas or inspirations in my mind. I checked some iPad stands, phone stands on Pinterest, but all of them seemed very generic. So I thought, why not just come up with a design yourself? The wood I'm using here is called Bogi Poma or Indian mahogany. It is a very dense hardwood and it has a very beautiful color. Now, one of the reasons I decided to design this project myself is because I've always taken inspirations from Pinterest or YouTube or anywhere else I can copy a project from. Now, not to say that that's essentially bad, but I've always considered myself as someone with a not very artistic mind, so I wanted to challenge myself. This is my first time using a carving disc on hardwood, so I wasn't expecting the wood to give me such a hard time. Eventually, I had to switch back to manual carving using a file and a whole lot of sanding. And by now, my project was starting to take shape, so I was happy. I'm sure you've already guessed it as well. The project I'm making is in the shape of a shark, a fish, a shark. Yeah. Here I'm cutting in grooves or dados in the same angle as the fin for the phones to rest on. Oh. Sadness in your eyes. Now that the grooves have been cut, this is how it's supposed to work. What do you think about it? Let me know in the comments. And again, to challenge myself, I decided to paint it with my own hands, which was not easy at all. I am the worst when it comes to hand painting. In the end, this is how it turned out. Now, I wouldn't say that I was very satisfied with the project, but I had a whole lot of fun and I learned quite a few things while doing this, so I guess that counts.